Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Okay, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
I think everyone can see my screen. Shweta, Soumya, Sadhana, can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So before going to this topic, first thing, CRO INT filter. They ask, tell about yourself, what exactly you will explain. Like they'll ask, tell about yourself. How will explain? Like what are the concepts you learned in SAP? For example, SAP MM is there, SAP FICO you are learning, MM you are learning, evaporate concept. How will explain? Tell about yourself means how you will explain. It's the first question for any student, any employee, any candidate, any candidate if they attend, they will ask, tell about yourself. How will express yourself? It's a basic question. Anybody? Anybody? Sudarshan? Can you hear me, Sudarshan?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. How will express yourself?
So first we'll tell our name, then we'll go for a educational background. Then once we are done with educational background, then we'll explain like previously where we were working and what are the roles and responsibilities.
Okay. So means about yourself you have to speak first. Okay, what exactly your name and what exactly your education qualifications, what exactly your hobbies, thing like your certificates, achievements, all you have to explain first. Okay, after that, which course you are learning, course, whatever the course you learned, that course related concepts. Okay, in classroom, I discussed all the concepts. Okay, like related to the enterprise structure, related to the okay, if it is finance, okay, posting, GL postings, account payable, account receivable. If it is material management, GR, GI, okay, those all. So for you, it is still new. Okay, this all concepts you have to explain from basic to end, like means from company code to company to last concept. You have to explain clearly both those particular topics. And in that, which topic you are very good? Which topic you are very good? The topic name also you have to explain clearly. Okay, like example, you are very good with the account payable or account receivable or GR or something like material management. Which topic you are good? The topic name you have to express yourself. I'm very good with this GL. I'm very good with this enterprise picture. I'm very good with this particular. This all. It is all. It depends upon the. It depends upon the like interviewer. Means what exactly they are expecting. Are you trying for the experience? Pressure. Any experience do you have? How many years, sir? 2 years. Like example, if you want to put like 2 years of experience, 3 years of experience, then your way of explanation should be different. Like what they will explain as a fresher, they'll explain just only I practice this so and so concept. I practice this so and so concept. You can explain. But experienced person, this is little bit different. I'll discuss later stage once for completion of your course. I'll discuss those points also for you. Okay? Experienced people after that concept after completion of the course once again they can contact us. Then for them I'll give other guidance. Okay, other guidance. For fresher, you have to be strong in basic areas. You have to be strong in basic, like from company code, Gen GLs, from all these areas you have to be very strong. But Okay, they will ask immediately, do you have any idea about projects? Because you are fresher, you don't know. Since any projects you took or not, they will ask. Because if you see like 100 profiles or 250 profiles or 1,000 profiles, nobody will put project. Okay, nobody will explain the implement, what exactly the implementation, what exactly the support. Okay, means what I have to do. Yes, sir, I have done my implementation, okay, practice implementation. Okay, my training for provided this implementation procedure. So I knew how to do it. I knew how to do it. It is all you have to explain. For you, it is totally different. You have to show the experience and you have to tell, yes, I have done implementation, I have done support project. Right now, I am doing support project. You have to explain. So, who are going to show some experience? Those experienced candidates, they have to show compulsory experience only. Even if you are with a different background, like, no need to worry about that particular different background. Only thing is you have to show your clear picture. Okay, I'm working. You have to be very confident. But if you are very good confident, then you will get the okay, good height as well as good job also. Okay, good job also. So many candidates are working in my students are working in a purchasing consultant, okay, like purchasing consultant, SAP end users also. Okay, who are working those end user candidates? They have 99% chances double salary hike. Double salary hike. Okay, double salary hike, they have chances. Why? Because they already knew it process. Only thing is they don't have the proper knowledge in SAP. That's it. They don't have proper knowledge. Those knowledge I am going to provide not only now, in future also I'll provide it. Just you have to come down on weekends. So who don't have the proper like yes, like Monday to Friday they can't come. Working employees. See, these people are not coming on weekdays. Only they will come only on Saturday and Sunday for practice. But for you people who are not working, those candidates can come down here and sit here and clarify your doubts. And everything I'll support you. So everything I'll support you. That is one time. So they will ask like, what exactly the implementation? What is meaning of support? What are the types of projects you have? Okay, then if I allocate to any project, can you work on that project? They will ask this type of questions. Okay, this type of questions. Okay. Here you have to explain clearly. Yes, I knew at the implementation related project and as well support project. You have to explain clearly. Okay, what is implementation and what is support? Today I'm going to explain clearly. So small points I'm going to explain. What is rollout? What is upgradation project? Small concept. I'll explain it. Yeah, here now. Implementation is nothing but a implementation. Nothing is existed. Like example, SAP in your laptop. SAP is not there. Your laptop SAP. You have to install SAP. You have to create company. You have to create company code. You have to post the document. That is we can call implementation. Whatever in classroom I discussed, those topics, those all are implementation related concepts. Company creation, in business area, fiscal year variance, these all, okay, I explained to you. Those all will call implementation. But here what we have done, we created only one company code, we created only one business area, we created only one fiscal year variant, one finance management area, like that. But in companies, in post data, n number of documents. It's not like company code is only one only. I'm not talking about company code. Maybe you may work multiple company codes also. Company code is only one company code and multiple accounts. Like almost how many account types we discussed? Almost 10, 20 we discussed in classroom itself. 10, more than 10 we discussed the account groups. But in real time, they will give you clearly which account number, what exactly PL statement, balance sheet statement. Clearly, they will provide to you which one data. Like example, on 1,000 accounts are there. 1,000 accounts is your part. 1,000 accounts creation is your part. That 1,000 accounts is project. 1,000 accounts creation, that is only I am going to allocate by next Monday onwards. I will allocate who are completed already, okay, students. And one project type I am going to allocate project. So how to do here or at home, your wish. It depends upon your practice. You have to show that particular project related things. You have to show in your resume. So meaning what exactly the company, company related information, and business areas. These all areas I will provide you in implementation project. Implementation is nothing but from scratch to end of the project we can work. Nothing is existed. Software you have to install, creation of the company code, business area, everything we will create in that company. In that company, we'll call implementation. Implementation. Understood this point? What is meaning of word implementation? This implementation minimum 2 to 3 years it will work. If it is small project, even within 1 year also you can complete it. Okay? Implementation time will be minimum 1 year. Okay, 1 year to 3 years. It depends upon the project. It may vary. Some big project, Nestle and Procter and Gamble, this type of projects, you may work with more than 8 years also. More than 8 years also. It depends upon the project. What exactly implementation duration? Minimum 1 year to 2-3 years, or if it is very big project, even 5 to 8 years also. It depends upon the project. You just tell them, I knew the idea about implementation. Okay, it is a project duration will be minimum 1 year to 3 years. Here I know how to do it. The realization phase, all phases also. Today some part I will give you, but next week because of so many students are missing. I think you knew that so many students are. Okay, next week I'll give you full clarity about that particular ASAP methodology. Today only just basic about all these 3 roles. I will give you what exactly implementation, what is rollout, and what is support related only today class. By next week, I'll communicate all because I think they thought it is English class. Palas are taking English class. I'm not teaching English class. Okay? It's project related. Okay, it's not English class. So this is a project. Your profile purpose. I'm explaining this all. Whatever I will give those points, it will be helpful for your profile, like resume points only. All each and every point will be helpful for your future. This particular point. That's right. I plan to take like 2 hours today. I think if I take 2 hours, other people are also missing. Today, some part, this only what is implementation, what is support, what is rollout. This all video I'll share to them, remaining students. If they come, okay, next week. Otherwise, I'm conducting on class. They'll actually, they sent yesterday late, I think 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, they sent message. Okay? Because of this miscommunication, okay, today so many students are not at come and so many students they are sending message who don't know, okay, like that. Okay, we'll discuss next week. Then it will be minimum 2 hours class, okay, maximum 2.5 hours class. All the project related oriented concept only. All project related only. Same project you can put it in your resume. Same project you can put it in resume. Data also I'll give you. Concept explanation, how to explain, how to express yourself. That's what I'm conducting on mock interviews also. I told you. After completion of your course, even I'm taking mock interview. How to crack that interview. This is all my personal interest, and I'm doing this all. Okay, for student, there's no need to wait for the long time. Everyone can practice. Everyone is practicing very nicely here, but they're not explaining. They're not explaining. So what is the use? You know the subject. If you're not expressing yourself, then where you will explain? First, entry is important. After entry, your wish. You will work on okay. There, maybe you may work 8 hours or 10 hours or 12 hours. It depends upon your work. If you are getting money, then automatically you will work more. Correct? If you are not getting money, then why you will work? But money is important here, and money important means first you have to work compulsory. That's right. To enter means to specify your project, how to specify that project, how to express. Okay, like 10 profiles are there. Also 10 profiles, they have to pick your profile only. So you have to specify, okay, I have done course and I have done implementation related concept. I know the implementation related, I know the support related. What is implementation? What is support? Explain clearly. Okay, what exactly we do in implementation? What we do in support project. If you do this particular one, compulsory, out of 10, you will be the best. I knew it because I have seen so many candidates. Okay, so many candidates. But this all depends upon the way of practice and way of explanation, how you are going to explain yourself, okay? How you are going to put resume. Okay? Don't put copy paste somewhere all the resume. it should be unique and font size also. Everything you check it, and even I will verify it once again. Okay, you verify it in the resumes also. Okay, don't copy paste it from this concept and that concept. You can go there. Concept wise, all whatever concept I'll provide it. In future also, your course is completed. In future also, I will give another examples also with Saturdays. Extra examples. Just I'll send the message, okay, in all groups who are very interested on weekends. They can come down extra classes also. I'll take it for them. Okay, extra classes also. Okay, if you're not attending online, maybe sometimes now online sometimes it's not possible, but I'll record it. I'll try to record it. Okay? Here, what exactly the project means? Types of projects means implementation, support, and rollout, and one more concept you can call upgradation also there. So I did not write that. I did not specify that. Upgradation project. What are the types of projects? Implement, write down that. If you have the notes, so write down. Second. Skip ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. లేదు ఎక్కువ లేదు లేదు కమ్యూనికేషన్ సరే సరే రైట్ డౌన్ heading is projects. Heading is projects. Projects. Types of projects. Type of projects. The types of projects. Types of projects. Implementation project. Implementation project. Second, you can write on anyway, no problem. Rollout project. Rollout project. Hello. Rollout project. Support project. Third one is support project. Fourth one, upgradation product. Upgradation project. Upgrade, we can call upgrade. Okay? Upgradation project. Okay? Upgradation project. Upgradation project. First side heading. Implementation. Okay? First side heading. Implementation. First side heading. Implementation. Okay, right on. I will give the my words. Okay. This document anyhow I'll save you. This document I'll share you later. 1 second. I'll give my words. Okay. One second. Write down. Implementation means, I'm giving my own note. Implementation means from scratch to end of the project we can work. From scratch to end of the project. From scratch to end of the project we can work. From scratch to end of the project. In bracket, implementing the business process. Implementing the business process. Implementing the business process. Implementation, it is a business process. The next. I done one more point. After purchasing SAP ERP product, purchasing SAP ERP product, after purchasing SAP ERP product, companies do study the methodologies. Companies can do the study the methodologies and various process and case studies. Okay, various process and case studies. A very simple example I'll give, like one general example. You have one building site is there. One building site. Okay, for you. You are planning to construct. One very good house. You'll start directly. What exactly your procedure? Planning. That planning only business process. So first, if you are going to construct any house, first we'll plan the what exactly the size, okay, how many rooms. This all we have to plan. Means what exactly the cost, material, everything we have to plan. After that only, everyone you can check anywhere. They never construct directly without planning. Right? It's compulsory. We have the planning. Means how many days it will take. Okay, what exactly the cost of the project. After that only they will start implementing particular house. The same way here in SAP, if they are going to implement SAP project, first they will think it. What exactly the business? What type of business this is? Okay, if it is manufacturing sector, like example, Tata Motors, let's take Tata Motors. What are the types of departments they are having? Tata Motor, retail management is there, sales and distribution is there, finance and controlling is there, employees are there, HR department, production planning, plant maintenance, plant control, storage, warehouse. All types of departments are there. Okay, let's take IBM. Let's take TCS. Is there any manufacturing unit? TCS? No manufacturing. IT sector. TCS is IT sector. Capgemini. IT. Then which modules they required? Finance and HR. See, industry is changing. Industry to industry. Construction. Prestige Group. Shobha Construction. Many famous companies. Mantri. It is all companies. They need any production sector. You understand this point? Everyone understood this point? Repeat you. Construction
Yes, sir.
companies are there. They require any production unit. Production unit they require no need. They are only just they need material, they need warehouse, they need purchasing, they need MM. They want to sell their product, they need sales. They want to maintain their accounting information, they need finance. That's it. Difference understood. If it is production sector, one type of implementation. If it is construction sector, one type of implementation. If it is IT, one type of implementation is same. Implementation models will be different. The way of communication will be different. Their project. We won't work all modules in one, all the project. We are working as MM consultant, working as FI consultant. Okay, all types of projects we never work. Okay, one project only minimum 2 years if you work, then what about your total career experience? That's what sometimes if it is support project, lifetime. If you start support project as a fresher, okay, as a fresher, okay, you can work for, you can recruit also there also. You can, it's like government job support. Okay, government, they don't need to check another jobs, foreign job. But implementation means what exactly you will get good exposure. So whenever you work one company with 4 years, 3 years, then if you migrate, your salary will be very good. Your salary will be good. That is a 1.2 point. Automatically, you will get hike, and you will get more exposure with the different types of people you will work under pressures. Also, you have to work. More work pressure also. Sometimes you have to work like 14 hours, 15 hours, 16 hours also sometimes. It depends upon the project, not all projects. But initial stage, compulsory, everyone should work like that. Later, okay, by gaining experience, then it is easy to work with SAP. Initial stage, starting stage, okay, work even if it is more than 8 hours, 10 hours also. So we can't tell, okay, I will work only this particular scenario, like that. Okay. You have to work like more, okay, if you get like work from home, compulsory you have to work like 4 hours. If you work like from office, so maybe 8 hours or 9 hours is enough. 9.5 hours. It depends upon the company to company will vary, but initial stage, you have to work hard. Then only you will get on some particular name. Okay, is working. Then SAP I'm talking about. Okay. Next. Implementation means it is one more. After purchasing, then we do some particular case studies are written here, methodologies and various case studies written. Here in implementation, a different type of functional models and the technical consultant will be involved in implementation. Write down one point. Implementation. In implementation, various type of functional consultant, various type of functional consultant, various types of functional consultants, various type of functional consultants, and the technical consultant and the technical consultant involved in implementation, various type of functional consultant and the technical consultant will be involved in it. Not only you, means project means you never handle your own. Even if you are 15 years, 20 years of experience candidates also compulsory you have separate team. Minimum 15 members, maximum 20, 30 members also. It depends upon the project. 10 to 15 minimum. In that project, if you are finance consultant, if you are MM consultant, ABAP consultant, all together will work. Then only, I told you in class, integration, why I should tell this point? Because MM people will get the error, account payable error. Okay, they will tell, okay, this is not my work. Till unless if you know that particular error, okay, they will tell, okay, this is not my work. FI people, then who will solve that error? Compulsory you have to solve the error. So both we have to involve. Okay, what exactly MM role, what is FI role, what type of error that is. Okay, then we have to solve that particular output. That is only we call integration. This integration error we will group together, and what exactly the solution of that particular error we will solve that particular. Okay, that's why I told you several types of functional consultant, several types of technical consultant. The technical consultant involved in project. In one project only will n number of people. Okay, in classroom also I used to tell so many times. Okay, finance data, material management data, Sales and distribution data, sales distribution data, production planning data, compulsory. This all the data we read. ABAP related data, like sometimes user locks, password locks, software lock, software not working. This type of issues will come. How many candidates are working? Which type of consultant are working? Meaning basis consultant, ABAP consultant, FI consultant, MM consultant, PP consultant, sales and distribution consultant. Here, how many consultants in one project? We will work a group of people. We will work a group of people. It's not like only one consultant. Even if you join as a fresher, they may give like maybe 1 month, 2 months gap for training related time. But you are not normal fresher. You are SAP fresher. Now your profile is changed. Even if you are going to show your experience, fresher, you are not normal fresher. You are the fresher. I am SAP fresher only. In your resume itself, on top you have to specify. Okay? I learned with so and so course and so and so intro. Okay? I am SAP fresher. You have to specify. Then your profile will vary. Become SAP fresher. Difference is there. Become you are already become. It's added advantage of this particular SAP fresher. If some companies are using some ban or Infor or some Zoho, small product or the ERP product, those companies will acquire you directly. Even if it is a different ERP, also join first. Get knowledge, 6 months, 1 year, get experience, migrate to SAP. First, you need any software, any ERP. First, you get it. Don't postpone. Okay, I'll join only in SAP. You practice more, put knowledge and put experience. Same experience with SAP. Okay? Because they need what they need. If it is experience, they need salary slip. They need 3 months bank statement. They need one experience letter. If they're not giving experience letter, you have already bank statement. Just show that one, I migrate. Okay, migrate. These three things only any job holder they will check. Okay? One is your salary slip, your bank statement. These two are there. You will get a very nice package in SAP. In SAP. Okay? Only these three things. Means, if you get any type of job on accounting or purchasing related things or any type of job, just join. Okay, for timing you can join. Get 6 months experience, or 1 year experience. Show this experience in SAP. With previous experience, gap, all you can show it. And migrate to SAP. Okay, migrate to SAP. Why means Infosys they will acquire 2 years of experience candidate. They are finished on. Okay, my candidate, previous candidate, his name is Shubham. Okay, he joined in Pune immediately after completion of. And now yesterday I called me because of some openings. He called me yesterday. I asked where is it? He's in Infosys. He's getting within 2.5 years, 10 lakh, 11 lakh package. He's telling me 2 years of experience. He don't have experience. I put experience for him. Like same like 2.5 years. I put. I explained all the projects. He put the same great experience. Joined. He joined. Hey, 2 years he worked in Pune company, a small company only, Pune company. That company name also with me only. 2 years they worked. After 2 years, he's having like a good practice. Okay, that's why this all depends upon your profile, how you are going to show in your profile. But compulsory you have to do hard work in SAP minimum 2 to 3 years. Okay, minimum 2 years. That functional means there's no need to work that much hard. Only ABAPers here, no ABAPers here. Okay, only ABAPers can do that more hard work. For functional SAP finance, SAP MM people, there's no need to work that much hard work. The subject is compulsory. No. So I discussed some points about what exactly they implement. Okay, like this one, and different modules are involved, technical and functional modules. Okay, next functional modules are means write down. So one note, another one. So functional modules are means functional modules means functional modules means SAP Finance, SAP Finance and Controlling, okay, SAP Finance and Controlling, okay, SAP Finance and Controlling, Material management, material management, material management. I'm giving my own some points from there. I'm giving all extra explanation and okay, material management, sales and distribution, sales and distribution, HR, human resources, HR, production planning, so many. Yes, so many. Production planning and so many. Okay, these are all functional side. Next, technical side, technical model. Project means we will involve all types of employees, not only particular employees. We will involve technical, functional, all types of. That's all I'm giving now. Technical models means. In basic class, what types of models I discussed? We remember. From that, we will work with if it is functional, we will work most of the time. ABAP and basis consultant will be involved. The remaining SIPA all not required. Types of models is mandatory for and FIFA. So most of the times we will get locked. Most of the times we will get software related errors. So this all only this consultant is enough. Which one? ABAP is the basis side. Technical means most of the integration points are technical. ABAP and ABAP and ABAP programmer is there, but even basis consultant, basis and security vision part. ABAP and basis and security modules. ABAP and basis and security modules. The basis and security modules. This EP and XI and HANA, it depends upon the module. If it is S4 applications, others will be involved. XI, PI, HANA, theory, these all other modules are written. You remember that one? Basic classes, technical modules, functional modules. Around 11 modules are written. 11 modules. All other modules you don't need to interact. If your work is ACC, only basis and admin is enough. Security people is enough. So these are all the people involved under implementation project. Okay? Project duration will be minimum. Project duration will be minimum. Project duration, okay, minimum. Project duration, so minimum 1 year to 3 years. Okay, 1 year to 3 years. Project duration will be minimum 1 year to 3 years. Okay, 1 year to 3 years. The project duration will be 1 year to 3 years. So these are modules I have written already, functional modules. Yeah. And the production, so many modules we have, but we don't want. Anyhow, this document I'll share you later. Technical means PRM basis, others means this all MDM, so many are there. So many are there. We don't want to do this all modules. Okay, ECC means technical, ABAP basis, and as well as MM, FICO, production planning, sales and distribution. These modules we will interact day to day. Okay, group discussions. This all will be there in project and implementation. Next, these are all the different types of technical and functional related things. Okay, already there. Okay, already there. Next, write down one note. This part actually next week in-depth point I will give because of some students are missing today class. Okay, I have to discuss those points with them also. This is very lengthy concept. What is implementation? What is blueprint? What is realization? Where exactly your work? How to start that your work? Okay, how you will test it? How to go for go live? These many concepts are there in this only. But right now I have to give some point. In implementation, if you want to do implementation, like if you want to construct a house, so first planning we require. Okay? Then planning we require. Then one after planning, one blueprint they will prepare it. This is first room, second room, third room, okay, kitchen, all this. That is you can call blueprint. Okay, that is the blueprint. In same type of this one, in SAP we have 5 phases in implementation. If you want to work with SAP implementation, we have 5 phases. Write down one note. Okay, one note. Companies will follow 5 phases or 5 stages. Companies will follow 5 phases. PHASES. 5 phases or 5 stages. 5 phases or 5 stages. Companies will all follow 5 phases or 5 phases. Okay, right on. First one, project. A project preparation. A project preparation. A project preparation. A project. This in-depth point, next coming sessions only I will give you. Okay, this in-depth point. That is only you can call ASAP methodology. We can ASAP methodology we can call. ASAP method. ASAP methodology separate implementation methodology. I supposed to explain today because of so many students are missing. It is important for them also. Anyhow, theoretical point today class. I am recording. I'll send this recording to them. If they are coming next week, okay, everyone will take it before only one particular training. Then we'll conduct the session. Otherwise, in classroom only we'll conduct it. If they're coming same, okay, same students. Again, first phase is project preparation. Okay, first phase is project preparation. Second phase is business blueprint. Second phase is business blueprint. Okay, one parallel notes you don't write down. Separate notes you can maintain in last pages. This one. It will be helpful. Okay, parallel means class notes you don't write this one. Otherwise, make it separately. This particular separate note. Business blueprint. Okay, business blueprint. Second phase. Next third phase. Realization. Okay, third phase. This is realization. Okay, write down this point. Our developer will start from realization phase only. Means if you are a developer, nothing to do, either functional consultant or either technical consultant, your work will start from which phase? So from realization only. You never interact with the project preparation. You never interact with the business blueprint. This is very, very important. Okay, because you are only developer. Developer means even functional consultant also developing the solution. Technical consultant also they are designing the solution. Okay, even if it is functional also, we'll call developing. We are developing, we are creating. Create means develop only. Okay, don't think development means coding. You are not writing code. Without coding, you are creating company. Without coding, you are creating JGLs. That is also development only. Development project. Okay, which phase will work? Our work will start? Even if you are fresher, which phase? Realization. Okay, realization. Next, final preparation. Some freshers, if they join as a fresher, they won't give realization phase. Okay, what they will do, freshers, they will utilize it, document preparation. Like example, GL account is there. How to create GL account? FS00. Then after that, what you have to enter? Create button. Then after that, number. After that, company code. This all they have to prepare one type of documentation, clearly screenshot documentation. Then they have to prepare one document from next to save button. This document we will give to the end users. Because end user doesn't know how to create document, how to create GL. End user does not know how to post to the F02. End user don't know how to clear the payment. And so the document created by freshers. Some freshers I'm talking about, not all. So they will utilize like that, freshers. Only testing related only we have to work sometimes. Understood this one? So that's what I told you, testing job also there in SAP. I should tell anybody remember? Point. We have the functional consultant, means development and testing and end user job. One more end user job also I told you. End user job purpose in this final preparation, document preparation, document screenshot preparation. That is also I'll be here. Okay, one code I will give. That code everyone should prepare clearly, each and every explanation, screenshot, navigation, coloring, everything. That is within documentation. If you get some type of job, that is also same salary. Same salary is same. Maybe after this project, you may go to the directly realization phase. It's first we have to join. Okay, we have to join in with documentation, SAP documentation or SAP work, anything. First in SAP project, you have to join. Okay. Understood this point? What is meaning of final preparation? Next. Okay, go live and support. Okay, go live and support. Okay, next, go live and support. Okay, next, go live and support. Okay, go live and support. Here now, there only go live. This project will release to end users. Project will release to end users. Like example, you will buy one phone. You start using phone. Okay? Phone is not working properly. Some app is not working properly. Then what you will do? You'll go to service center. You'll tell like your okay, this app is not working, this application is not working, this is not closing, something. That is we can call support. Means our project will go live. Means we will release the project to the client. Client will start using that application. They will use application. They will face issues, date issues, like text issues. Somebody is last class we posted some business area issue. So while posting, the first time we posted, second time business area issue is something we did not maintain that account related backend OK B9 something. OK B9 we posted. Then it is posted. What happened there? Account is not there in backend. Then that is issue only, support issue. Means that issue solved by once again developer only. So developer only. Okay, meaning I think even fiscal year variant also some other our student in classroom. Okay, another batch student. Okay, they copied V3. They copied V3. V3 don't have the posting period. Okay, I told you fiscal year compulsory should be there fiscal year. But V3 somebody deleted. It is made it as a calendar year. Calendar means January to December they made it. V3 also. Then how it will post? I think we got so many students we got here only. Okay, so many 3-4 students we got it. Okay, this one. Okay. V3 is actually April to March is the period. April to March. A4 is January to December. Correct? Some student, intelligent student, they deleted all the period and they made it as a calendar year. We don't know. As I explained to you, V3, you copied and pasted, and you are using same V3 to your company code. You are posting document. When posting document, instead of 9, it is showing 12. Then what is the issue? Understood this error? Everyone? Here 1 or 2 students, we got it error, I think. Here are in our classroom error. 12. 12 we got it. 12 means 10. Who will change that one? If the end user don't know what exactly is happening. Then that will be end user will complain to the complaint is will raise the one ticket to developer team, basis team and the techno functional team. They will raise, okay, this is the issue. Okay, they will write to team leader and project manager. Then they will allocate this document to our team members. If you are working in support team, you will get it. That team. Then you have to check it. What is happening? Then that is fiscal year variant. Go to directly V3 and check the posting period. What's happening there? How many posting periods? How many special periods? All are there. We have to cross check. Okay. Not only any error, even while posting in GR in material management. Okay. Date related errors will get it. Number range related error will get it. So many number range related. If all number range related and date related, you have to solve. That is our work. That work we can support project go live means that project will go to the client. Client will face the issues. Client will raise the issue to the team. Team will allocate this issue to development. Then we'll solve. This we can go live and support. Go live and support. Clear? Any doubt in that? Anybody? Okay, these are the 5 phases. In-depth point next week. It is a 2 hours or 1.5 hour class that is separately actually. So I plan to discuss today, but it is lengthy related. Let me complete first what is support, what is upgradation, and what is rollout. Okay, these 2 classes. These 3 points today only. Right. Next point. Next point. Second one. First rollout project you have written. Right on. Second rollout projects. First project is implementation. Second project is rollout. I told you. Okay, rollout. Okay, rollout. Okay, rollout project. Okay, Tata Group is a project. Rollout means I am explaining first. Okay. But Tata Group is a company. Tata Group is an Tata Steel, Tata Power, Tata Steel, Tata Power, so many Tata Motors, Tata TCS, so many are there. Tata Power completed with SAP project. Tata Power is completed with SAP project. You already worked. Now the same team should work with Tata Steel. Same team should work with the Tata Steel. So the Tata related project only, Tata project only we are working. Then some tax related components will change. You no need to change all bulk changes. Okay. Plant will be varying, locations will be varying, but all we will change it. And what about existing related data is we'll copy, paste, and we'll use it. Those data for this project we can call rollout projects. You are not creating from scratch all. Already existing project is there. Tata is already using tax procedures, currency settings, all these things. So we can utilize those particular data for same project, a different company code. If you work with different company code, this we can roll out project. How to that? One house is there. One house is there. The same type of building houses they are constructing with beside same copy paste. Copy paste. Like that in SAP already completed. We are using some component of data for another project that we can roll out project. Okay, roll out project. This point is clear. Understood this point? Okay, give that point then. Okay, roll out. Right on, roll out. Okay, roll out means rollout means rollout means expanding the business, expanding the business. Rollout means expanding the business after implementation. Expanding the business after implementation. Okay. Very same building only example I'll take it. Example, you already constructed this house. You are planning first floor. Already constructed. Implementation is over. Then you are constructing one more floor. The floor that I am calling in SAP scenario, at this SAP project is done. They are planning to buy one more plant in Chennai. For the Chennai, you have to implement. Expanding, they are expanding Chennai. At Chennai, if you want to implement, that is expansion, no? That expansion related project we can call roll out. Everyone understood this point? Any doubt? Right on. One more point I'll give you. One more point. Okay, one more point. An organization which is started in one country, an organization which is started in one country, which is started in one country, which is started in one country, expanding their services to the other countries, expanding their services to other countries, services to other countries, follows the rollouts, follows rollouts. Okay, you know what exactly difference? Now India we are working. I told you India we can use GST. GST is a tax procedure, correct? Same tax procedure is there in other country? It's not there. There, tax procedure will be different according to the government rules and regulations. If we are going to implement with other projects, we will call rollout projects. Okay? So one country is completed, one country implementation is completed. You are working another country implementation. That is only can call rollout. Okay, rollout. This point is clear. Everyone, write down one more. Done. In rollout, we can find out the in rollout we can find out we can find out we can find we can find that the organization that the organization that the organization works according to government according to the government rules and regulations, according to government rules and regulations. Okay, according to same point I am explaining my way. If you want this document also I'll share you, but my documents will be like whatever in classroom I used to discuss it. Simple points, same points only I'll give you. Okay, it's easy to remember also. Okay, right then. One more point. The taxes will be different in each countries. Taxes will be different in each countries. Taxes will be different in other countries. Taxes will be different in other countries. Example, some allowances, and income tax details and GST details. GST details. Next, master data will be in master data will be different in each project, each organization. Master data will be different in each organization. Each organization. In bracket, new employees. Bracket, new employees. Master data will be different in each organization. Okay, each organization. In bracket, new employees data. Okay, new employee data. Okay. Next. So many modifications. So many modifications. should be done according to country. So many modifications should be done under according to country. According to country. Clear? This is about the rollout project. It is about the rollout project. Next. Support project. Okay, support project. Third one. The third one. The support project. Here, support means once implementation is completed, then only support will start. Without implementation, there is no support. Right? Once implementation is completed, then support will be in action. So what is action? I'll tell you. Right. First point. Support project. Okay? Support project. After implementation is completed, support is in action. The support is in action. The support will be in action. Okay? Here, support project means, right on, support project means errors will be rectified. Errors will be rectified based on based on working hours. Errors will be rectified based on working hours. Example. Okay, example. One simple scenario I'll give you. Okay, one simple scenario I'll give. Let's take IRCTC Tatkal. Everyone knew it, I think. Ticket booking. The Tatkal will open every day morning 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock to some 10 o'clock something. Huh? 11, huh? Something 11 o'clock they will open. Correct? Huh? 11 o'clock. If Tatkal is not working around 11 o'clock, then how much loss will be to the government? How much loss? Lakhs together. But for India wide, we will stop the Tatkal. India wide. Okay, India wide. Like example, let's take Reliance retail industry, Reliance shopping. Reliance. Sunday, Saturday night, 6 o'clock to 8 o'clock, their servers are not working. Then how much the loss they do? How much loss? Just think it. Sunday means like that is holiday. Everyone will go out, everyone will buy the products. If this server is not working Sunday, how much it will be loss for them? That is example 2 hours loss. Okay, one around 10 crores loss example. That issue is that issue server issue. They have to solve within minutes, hours. That only I told you hours basis. Meaning support means high priority issue. High priority issue means you have to respond it and you have to solve that issue within 2-3 hours. 4 hours. That is high priority issue. Medium priority issue. Take 4 hours. Take 8 hours. Complete it. It's not mandatory. You can complete it within the time being. Low priority issue. You can complete it within 1 week. You understood this point? 3 points I am giving here. High priority issues, how many hours? 2 hours. Medium priority issues, 4 to 8 hours. High priority issues, okay, within 1 week you can complete it. Understood this point? Right on. Types of supporting issues are tickets. or calls, whatever it is. Either we can call issues, we can call ticket, support ticket, we can call support call. So don't confuse them. They'll call different names. Okay? They'll call different names. Okay? First one, high priority issue. High priority issue. Okay, first one, high priority issue. Okay, first one, high priority issue. Okay, within 2 hours, support consultant should be solved. Within 2 hours, support consultant should be solved. Okay, within 2 hours, support consultant should be solved. Next, so that is high priority issue, correct? Next, high priority issue or high priority ticket. Next, medium priority tickets or medium priority issue. Medium priority issue or medium priority tickets. Okay. It is minimum 4 to 8 hours we can solve the issue. Minimum 4 to 8 hours we can solve the issue. Next. Low priority issues. 4 days to 7 days we can solve the issue. 4 days to 7 days we can solve the issue. Next, these are all the types of issues. Next, three projects are computer. Now, this duration method. Duration. It is a lifetime project. Support means every every day you will get some issues, different issues. We have to support lifetime. Okay, lifetime project. Okay, lifetime project. Next, final project. Upgradation. Upgrade. We can call upgrade project or upgradation project. Upgrade project or upgradation project. Upgrade project or upgradation project. Okay, upgrade project or upgradation project. So they're only meaning upgrade. Okay, here it is not. So right on. Upgradation means upgrading the product, upgrading the SAP software from old version to new version. Upgrading the SAP project from old version to new version. In bracket SAP ECC ECC 6.0 EHP 62 SAP ECC 6.0 SAP ECC 6.0 EHP 62 EHP 7. Okay? EHP 7. Understood? EHP 6 is older. HP 7 is new. Okay. I'll repeat you. SAP ECC 6.0, EHP 6.2, EHP 7 are and under and SAP ECC to S4 HANA servers. SAP ECC to S4 HANA upgradations. This is about just some overview about project. Here, very important related topic is SAP methodology, which I discussed to you. 5 phases is there. That is separate concept. There are so many points are included in that. Okay. For interviewer, as a fresher also, you have to explain so many points on different topic. SAP methodology. Next week I'll start it. Okay. Next week I'll start with a different topic. Okay. Any doubt now today class? Maheshwari, any doubt?
No, sir.
Write down this one. And what about others? Go ahead.
No doubt, sir.
Okay. Then this class I'll stop it. Okay, actually I suppose to take 2 hours, but because of some miscommunications, just today, okay, this class is enough. I think next week we'll conduct. Okay, we'll conduct. Yeah. I'll stop it now. Soumya, Sweta, Sudarshan.
Sure,
Okay.
sure, sir.
Yes, sir. Sure. Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Thank you, sir.